Welcome to my mom's garden. The rain is coming, and if you have a backyard, you gotta clean it before it rains. It's a lot of work if you have a backyard.
Anybody want some strawberries? I think they're done. Okay, next task.
Why do you have to do this if it's freezing cold outside?
That's where I'm going.
Remember those things? Those are really sticky.
Goes on. Man, there's no power on this one here.
Oh, I'm not wasting any water. This is the water out of the ground, and it's gonna be going back into the ground. We have our own ecosystem.
That's where it is. See it? Right there. It's called Brunnen.
You're lucky, you don't have to do nothing. I'm on vacation, what am I doing? This side looks already much better. I did the electric 30 years ago. Those are artist hands, not worker hands.
Remember those? Those you split here and then you put it on your nose.
Remember? Now it's not gonna hold, my nose is too big. But you know what I'm talking about. Every kid did that.
Damn, my fingers are freezing. Nothing, Mom, nothing.
The new word today is Gartenarbeit. Gartenarbeit. You know what that means? That means yard work. Gartenarbeit. Let me try the Harry Potter way. Yes, it worked. If you work it, it works. Since it's below zero at night, I have to disconnect the pump because the water is going to freeze inside the pump. Who gotta do it? German in Venice.
This is the well.
Hui.
First thing, disconnect the electricity. Then you disconnect this one. Last water is running out. Then number 2. Water coming out. And then we got all those little bugs here. I don't know what it is. They live here. And then you just take the pump out.
And that's it. Safe from the winter. Klappe zu, Affe tot. And that's how you make mom happy. That's it. Very happy, mom.
I'm very happy.
See? All clean. It looks much better now.
And that's it. Now you know. If you have a backyard, you gotta always have work. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Push the notification bell. And I see you in my next video. Tschüssing. Auf Wiedersehen.